Antigravity versus cursor pricing. If you're choosing an AI code assistant, pricing and access matter just as much as features. Antigravity and Cursor both help write and fix code, but they approach pricing and use differently. Antigravity offers an AI assistant that integrates with editors and suggests code completions, explanations, and fixes as you work. It usually has a free tier that lets you try basic code suggestions with a monthly limit, so beginners can experiment without paying. Paid plans sit in the mid-range, often around $19 to $30 per month, depending on usage and model access. The value here is interactive help inside your editor. That said, there's a trade-off. The free tier caps usage quickly if you code a lot, and advanced features may feel expensive for casual users. Cursor's pricing typically includes a free tier as well, letting you generate a limited number of code completions or workspace actions each month, and paid plans in the mid to premium range, usually starting around $39 per month. The upside with Cursor is a broader workspace connection. The AI can understand and modify whole files and projects. But it does have a downside. The cost adds up if you rely on it for heavy development, and occasional latency can slow workflows. So, in practice, Antigravity fits coders who want quick in-editor help at a lower cost, while Cursor fits developers who want deeper AI project assistance, even if it's pricier. So, which pricing comparison should we tackle next? Catch you in the next one.